This just might be one of the most useful home gadgets, for lack of a better term, that I have. This is a power strip, surge protector. There are 8 plug-ins, and one of the things that's really great about it is that they're pretty far apart, so you can get some of those wider things in here and still be able to get, you know, other ones in as well. 2 USB-As also. It also has a place where you can hang it, so if that's your preferred way of having this. But notice this, you probably already have, this is 25 feet of cord here, along with a flat plug, which I think every device ought to have, rather than the ones that stick out a mile. And you probably have noticed that I also have this wrapped with this cinch wrap that comes in a spool, and you can cut it down to size with a buckle. Really, really works well, very strong. Anyway, this isn't about the cinch wrap. Great product, both of them. Can't get by without one of something like this.